Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. It's the wig for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. It's the wig for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up.
Nothing could have made me believe. No one could have convinced me. Had to use my own two eyes to see. 'Cause always make you think you going crazy. Something in the way they lie, manipulation. No more patience. 'Cause there's a million things that I'd rather do than to be fishing for truth. Am I in the twilight zone? Or am I just a fool so wrong for loving you? But you forgot that I'm a shooter. Think I'll take 5 shots. One for the day that I learned I 2 for the bridges you burned I 3 for the chances you had, and 4 for the bitches you bagged, and 5 for never being sad. No, 1 for the trauma you caused. 2 for the number of draws I found. 3 for the promises made, and 4 for the way that you break 'em. 5 shots won't take no more. 5 shots won't take no more. Oh, you find it funny, lying straight through your teeth. That's your loss, it's not on me. 'Cause tonight I'm going out.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, a little disclaimer, I am in my new space and it's my new office space. I'll give you guys a little tour. It's not very big and I don't have a whole lot in here, so I wanted to give this disclaimer in case there is an echo. So yeah, that is that. Now let's get into this unit. Alright y'all, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Tuneful Hair. Shout out to you, Tuneful, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. The wig that I am rocking is their HD lace wear and go. HD lace wear and go wig, and I have it in 20 inches. I'm gonna go ahead and click on the site so I can give you guys a little more details and specs. Now, I did go ahead and put some adhesive on here, but I will show you guys or insert a clip of how you can wear it glueless. I don't particularly like to wear wigs that don't have combs in them glueless. I have to be a little cautious, child. I be out here in these streets, Journey will tug my hair and it will be over with. So I don't typically like to do that, but it can be worn glueless, okay? It says Tuneful Glueless Wig, human hair ready to wear, exotic curly HD 5x5 HD lace wig. This unit is available in 18 to 28 inches. As I stated, I do have it in 20 inches. And it is only available in the 5x5 glueless HD lace. So they have on here lace size. Once again, it's 5x5. It's exotic curly. That is the name of the texture. It's 180% density is an average cap size, and that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs. Now, I want to go ahead and talk about this HD lace, honey, because this HD lace is HD lacing. Okay, girl. Now, I do want to go ahead and mention that it came pre-cut, but I did cut off a little more of the lace. I don't know if I did that on camera or not, but if I did, you guys saw it. If not, I'm telling you. Alright, so just because it was a little more lace than I felt like I needed, so I did cut off some of that, but it does come pre-cut. I love that for me. And I love a closure, so you guys know. I do want to go ahead and mention that I did use my magic stick, not because the wig came like that. I did bleach the knots and I over bleached a little bit in here, so I always use my little magic stick to go over that. You guys can check down below in my Amazon store if you guys want to purchase one of those, but I do like to use those whenever child I over bleach, because sometimes I over bleach, child, okay, sometimes it happens. And yeah, now as far as the unit being it's not tangly, it hasn't shed. This straight out of the packaging. That's not to say old girl won't at some point, just a straight out of the packaging. Old girl's doing none of the things. And all I did to this unit was wet it and apply a little mousse and call it a day. And I love wigs that I can do that too. As far as it being big head friendly, in my opinion, to me it's more so small to medium head friendly than medium to large head friendly. I am an average cap size and I did not really have to adjust that elastic band or anything, and it's pretty snug on my head, so I feel like wearing it glueless wouldn't be an issue because it's pretty tight, but in my opinion this unit is small to medium head friendly. But girl, do with that what you want to do with that, because I only have the head that's on my shoulders, okay, and I'm an average cap size. And yeah, that's pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. Yeah, so if you are interested in my pros and cons as well as a full 360 and a length check, then please continue to watch. Y'all, so we're gonna start with the cons because you guys know I like to end on a high note. My cons is gonna be, child, I was ready to get this out. My con is gonna be that it has no combs, girl. Okay, so that's gonna be my con. I am a comb girl. Well, it does have one comb in the back, but it doesn't have any combs on the side. Like, there are no combs on the side. So it does have one comb, it just doesn't have combs on the sides, and I be needing those too, girl. Okay, so that's gonna be my con. My pros is that I feel like it's beginner friendly, it's glueless, the texture is nice. Like, this is a different sort of curly. It kind of feels like it's in between like a wavy texture and maybe a water wave and maybe a Jerry curly. Y'all let me know what you guys think, but that's kind of what it's giving me. It's like that good in between, and it's called, what I said, Exotic Curly. This is my first time trying, this is my first time working with this company, this is my first time trying this kind of hair. But I ain't mad at it. I love the texture. I feel like it's really good vacation hair and it's really effortless, and that's really what you want, okay, especially when you are out here on somebody's beach, girl, because we are, even though I got my fall stuff back here, we are still in summer. So if any of y'all plan on doing some last minute vacations, your girl is, okay, I'm planning on, we are going on vacation in the next week or so. So if any of you girls are planning on doing that, this is the perfect vacation hair. This is also just like a great wig to have. Overall, it can be a good everyday wig, it can be a good going out wig, and it's easy to just throw on and go. So those are my pros. Obviously, I would recommend the wig, honey. Girl, you heard all my pros. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this unit. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know down below what you guys think about this unit. Let me know if you are feeling it as much as I am. I also want to mention that this is a very lightweight unit in my opinion. So anyways, y'all, sound off down below in the comments. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on this unit. And once again, shout out to you, Tuneful Hair, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. If you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all. That's all. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click that subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Helton Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous Beauty on Twitter. And I will see you love folks next time. Bye.